Good morning. Happy Friday. We finally made it to almost the end of the week. So today is multiplying decimals. This is another skill that we haven't done in Into Math book, but we have started to talk about it a little bit. So let me show you what you would do. So the first thing is these actually can all be this page can all be mental math problems because you would just multiply normally. So we have a 9 here, and then we have a 7 here. So 9 times 7 is 63. Let me get my tool going. So 63. So I don't have to worry about the zeros because 0 times 0 is still 0. So then you need to look at how many numbers in the total question in both factors, how many numbers are after the decimal? How many decimal places do you have in total? So this one has 1, 2. So there's 2 numbers that are, I don't know why that happened. Oh, there you go. 2 numbers that are after the decimal place, which means in your answer, you need to have 2 numbers after the decimal place. So my decimal's gonna go right here. So that would be your answer, 63 hundredths. So over here, I'll show you with number 2 as well. So number 2, we just have the numbers 4 and 3, and the rest of them are 0. So 4 times 3 is 12. And then we look at both factors. This factor has 1 number after the decimal place. This factor has 2 numbers after the decimal place. So in total, there's 3 decimals after the place value. So we need to have our answer have 3 numbers after the decimal place. So that means I actually need to add a 0 here and put my decimal point right here. So my answer is going to be 12 thousandths because now I have 3 numbers after the decimal place. So this is the one worksheet. This one you should be able to go through and think, okay, this one's 7 times 3. That would be 21, but I would need 1, 2, 3 places after my decimal point. I think most of them are all 2s or 3s, looks like. And again, your answer key is at the bottom to check in. The other page that you would do looks like this. So I already did the actual multiplication of it, just so it didn't take me that much time to do the problem. But I just did like 480 times 1, that's here, then 480 times 2, and that answer is down here. So when I added it up, just like you do, with regular multiplication, I ended up with this answer. So now I need to figure out how many decimal places do I need to have in my answer. So in both factors, I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So in my both factors together, I have 5 decimal places, which means I need to have 5 numbers after the decimal point. So I would go, this is 1 number, this is 2, this is 3, this is 4, and this is 5. So my decimal point would go right here. So that's how I would do that second page. So I would give it a try today. If it's really a struggle, you can reach out and let me know. This is something that we are going to be doing again as a class, and I will be teaching at some point in some way. Hopefully, we will be going back over this once we get back to the classroom, and we'll be doing a test on this and a lot more work on this. They put this in here because this was supposed to be a review for all 5th grade, and the students that were doing the My Math book have done decimals already, and we did fractions first. So don't stress too much about this lesson. If it's too challenging, I will always do this lesson again with them before the end of the year. All right, have a great day. Bye.